question that took years. In an interview with the media the previous day, Tua said he will not wear the league's soft-shell Guardian cap, which is worn over football helmets to reduce this risk of head injuries. He currently wears a special helmet designed specifically for quarterbacks. The Dolphins are expected to start Tua in Sunday's Week 8 game against the Cardinals, and he said in the interview, hey, you take a risk getting up in the morning. You take a risk getting in your car. You take a risk walking across the street. Future date, probably, of him saying he's going to do it. The Pelicans are planning to be without their key off-season acquisition for the foreseeable future. ESPN is reporting the New Orleans Fears that guard DeJounte Murray suffered a fractured left hand during Wednesday's season-opening win over the Bulls. Murray finished the game with 14 points, 10 assists, and 8 rebounds in his team's debut after being acquired in an off-season trade with the Atlanta Hawks, where he appeared to suffer the injury with just 2 minutes remaining in the game when he was fouled on a three-point attempt. Damn. That does suck for him. Let's go ahead and do our Cowboys update brought to you by Miller Lite. The Cowboys are continuing to prepare for their Week 8 opponent. Dallas will sound like this.
Give me those Cowboy tickets. Cowboy tickets.
Yeah, no, you should say Cowboys, or like this.
I would like Dallas Cowboys standing room only tickets.
Now.
Thanks.
Demanding and delightful. Yes, that's how you do it. You get the iHeartRadio app, you listen to KMOD, you click the talkback feature, and you, when you click it, you just say...
I would like Dallas Cowboys standing room only tickets. Thanks.
It's all brought to you by Miller Lite. Again, the iHeartRadio app. Click on the talkback feature to say you want those standing room only tickets or the Cowboys tickets, and we'll pick some people right before the game. That's a Balls to the Wall Sports. I'm Corbin on 97.5 KMOD. Balls to the Wall Sports is powered by the award-winning service of Groundworks Tulsa. More of the Big Mad Morning Show is next.
Tulsa's Morning Show is coming right back. The Big Mad Morning Show. Tulsa's rock station, 97.5 KMOD.
This report is sponsored by Norton 360.
KMOD Total Traffic Network.
Roadwork continues on 244 east and westbound between I-44 and US 75. All lanes remain blocked. At 244 eastbound, the connector ramp at westbound State Highway 11, that's closed for bridge repair. I'm Joe Barnett with a look at Tulsa traffic.
Outsmart cyber criminals this October with Norton 360. For Cybersecurity Awareness Month, Norton 360 offers a software updater feature to reduce vulnerability.
Moments exclusively on Hulu right now.
You'll see the biggest festival headliners from around the world assembled on one stage on one show.
This iHeart energy is so incredible. Big Sean, Camila Cabello, Doja Cat, Dua Lipa, Gwen Stefani, Halsey, Hozier, Keith Urban, New Kids on the Block, Paramore, Shabuzi, The Black Crowes, The Weeknd, Thomas Rhett, Victoria Monet, and a special performance by Coldplay's Chris Martin.
Thank you to iHeart and everything for having us.
This is the only time you will see a lineup of superstar performers like this on one stage on one night.
Get louder than ever.
See it all at our 2024 iHeartRadio Music Festival, presented by Capital One.
Streaming only on Hulu right now.
Hey, what's happening? It's Gimpy with the Big Man Morning Show for Cox. You know how I love my Cox. And if you're tired of having to choose between reliability and savings on your mobile plan, well, switch to Cox Mobile, because with them, you get both. They run on a network that 100 million people already rely on. Plus, you'll get it at a price you'll love, exclusively for Cox Internet customers. Pretty awesome, right? Now, I'm ready to make the switch. With Cox Mobile, reliability and savings go hand in hand. That's the smart way to mobile. Cox postpaid internet required. Learn more at cox.com/mobile.
Patriot Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in McAllister says bring on the monstrous discounts on new Jeeps in stock, including Jeep Wranglers. Take up to $12,000 off new Wranglers or 0% for 72 months. On-selling Compass is getting $8,000 off, or price at $19,900. Wow! Patriot makes your next Jeep affordable, which allows you to pay off those pesky credit card bills. Patriot Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in McAllister. Wrangler MSRP 68,190. Compass 28,09 up.
The Castle of Muskogee Halloween Festival is back. Open every Friday and Saturday now through October 26th. Multiple haunts for all ages, from full fun to nightmare scary. For more information or to buy tickets, visit okcastle.com.
Football season is here, and that means one thing. Glover Touchdown Toss is in full swing at Jim Glover Dodge. So come throw for your tag and tax with every vehicle purchase. You can shop from nearly 800 new and pre-owned vehicles, all at the best prices in Oklahoma, online right now at JimGloverDodge.com.
Got church across
Get
the
peace
street
of
from
mind
another
with our
church.
7-day exchange, so you can make sure your new vehicle fits your life just right. And no, our pre-owned vehicles come with engines for life and have passed the test to become Jim Glover certified. Choose from nearly 30 different brands like Ford, Chevrolet, Hyundai, and Nissan, just to name a few. Not to mention our selection of more than 200 vehicles priced below 25 grand. So whatever you're looking for, we've got it, and at the best price possible. And no matter your credit situation or if you have negative equity in your current vehicle, we'll work harder than anyone else to get you approved. Because it's our commitment to deliver the best car buying experience.
Like a little airport out here. Huh. I had no clue. People flying in and out of Avant. Pretty neat though. Got some money. Wow.